Hello, in this lesson, we will see how we can solve the linear equation. So the equations that have only one unknown value are actually linear equations. For example, x plus 15 is equal to 20 is a linear equation as it only involves one unknown x. However, x plus y is equal to 15 is not a linear equation because it involves x and y, two unknown values. Now we will solve some examples of linear equation. Here I already have written a question. Let's start solving it by rewriting the statement. It is a simpler question, and then we will, after this, we will move to little more complicated questions. So 8y minus 31 is equal to 13 minus 3y. We will take the all values having the unknown on the one side and all the constants on the other side of the equal sign. Okay, so let's take this minus 3y to this side and the 31 to this side. We know that when we do take the numbers or values from one side of equality to the other side, we change the sign like minus with the plus and plus with the minus. Okay, so 8y here minus 3, when it will come on the left hand side, it would become plus 3y. And this minus 31 will, when it will go on the other side, it will become plus 31. Okay, now add them. 8y plus 3y would be 11, and 13 plus 31 would be 4, 3 and 1, 4, 4 plus 3 plus 1, 4, 44. And y would be this 11, since it is multiplying with, it is getting multiplied with y, it will go on the other side and will divide the 44. Yes, so 11 fours are 44, so we get y is equal to 4. To the next question, we will also solve this question and start it by rewriting the expression. Okay, now since this 5 is taken as common outside this bracket, so we will first multiply these inside the bracket on the both sides of equal sign. 5 multiply x would be 5x, and 5 2 are 10 and minus. Equal to 3 multiply x would be 3x, 3 4 are 12. So it is plus 12. Now we will take the unknowns on one side and the constants on the other side. This plus 3x would come here and become minus 3x, and this minus 10 would go on the other side and will become plus 10. So 5x minus 3x would be 2x, 12 plus 10 would be 22. This 2 is getting multiplied with x, so it will go on the other side and divide the 22 here. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, so x is equal to 11 in this case. Here is the next question. This question is little more difficult as compared to the previous two questions, but we will be doing this question easily. So we will start the solution by rewriting the question statement. Okay, so we have to solve this question. This 6 is dividing this value on the right hand side, and 4 is dividing the value on the left hand side. So if they go on the either side of the other side of the equal sign, so their operation will be changed. So this 4 will be multiplied on this side. 2x plus 3, and this 4 will go this side, it will be multiplied with the full factor. Okay, and this 6 will, when go on the other side, it will also be multiplied with this factor. So now multiply this 6 in the bracket and this 4 in the bracket and solve the question. Okay, 6 multiplied 2x would be 12x, and 6 multiplied 3 would be 6, 3 are 18 and plus plus are plus. So 4 are 16x minus plus minus 4 2s are 8. Okay, now taking all the constant x on the one side and the others constant on the other side, minus 8, and this 18 will become also minus 18. So 12 minus 16 would give us minus 4x. Here minus plus minus, so 16 minus 12 would be 4x, and the sign with the bigger value will be taken here. Okay, equal minus minus plus, so 18 plus 8 would be 26, and this sign with the bigger value would be minus. This minus is since minus 4x now will come here and divide minus 26, and this will this minus would be cancelled out with the minus, and yeah, and we will get 13/2. That's the answer. We can further solve it, and the answer would be that in that case the answer would be in decimal, but I'm not going to further solve it, so that's it. This is the solution.